This is the perfect flashlight from Beirut. This is the U6 model. It does have an IP68, so it's waterproof and dustproof as long as you keep the seal here closed. It's a really awesome flashlight. It's great for your kit whenever you're out and about. I like to use this to flood the feet below me, so when I'm walking I'm able to see. It also has the red mode, so I'm able to read maps, which is really nice. I love the compact size of this. So let's take a closer look at it. So let's go ahead and test it out here. As you can see, it's super bright. And you can switch to a brighter mode, economy, medium, high, and turbo. And then turn off. Long press the side button. You'll get the side light, which is really cool. As you can see, we have different colors here. It's a more warm color. Red color, great for at night so you don't lose your night vision. You have your strobe. Then back to your bright. And then here's your medium warm light, which I want to turn it off and leave it as that. This is a 1600 lumens flashlight from Beirut. Its model is U6. It's a really incredible, small, compact flashlight. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Inside, you'll get the user manual, the USB-C charging cable, little lanyard, and the flashlight itself. So this is a really incredible flashlight, as you can see here. Let's take a quick look at it here. So this will be your power button. As you can see, it will light up, and you do get a battery monitor right here. It does have the two-way clip, so you could clip it onto your pants or onto a baseball cap with this clip here. It's a really cool design. I love the way it looks. This is a magnetic base here, so you can actually stick it to any magnetic surface, metal surface, like if you're working underneath the car. You're able to magnetize this to the hood. This will be your USB-C charging.